How to watch videos offline on Bilibili. First of all, open your app on your device. Once the app is open, find the video you want to watch offline by browsing your feed, searching in the search bar, or accessing your favorite channels. Next, tap on the video to open it. Below the video player, you will see a download button. Tap on it to start downloading the video to your device. You may be asked to choose the video quality before downloading. Select the preferred resolution depending on your storage availability and data plan. After the download is complete, go to My Download section in your profile by tapping the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will find all the videos you downloaded. Tap on any video from the offline list to watch it without an internet connection. You can download multiple videos to enjoy uninterrupted viewing anytime, anywhere. Now you know how to watch videos offline on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.